Manipur sports policy amadi youth policy draft over loire policy ani asi athuba matamda chanaba haunaba honari haina yaski secretary Naurem Prabinna fongdorakli wafam asi Khelo India scheme gi ahum suba edition gi matangda Sai North East Regional Center NERC Imphal sinduna ngasi pangthokiba paugi mifam amada mahangna fongdokibani Haukiba July kuntra matoida Union Cabinet na warep ama lauduna Khelo India scheme ase hena pakthok chauthoknaba Government of India na lupa crore listing kuntra taruka chamri ganifu matoigi senfam kaithoraki senfam aduga mari leinana Sai North East Regional Center NERC Imphal gi Regional Director C Dandapani Assistant Director Laistram Samritya Amadi Arjuna Awardee Naurem Rosibina Yauna ngasi nitiyaipa chutekta leiba DIPR ge auditorium da pangthokiba paugi mifam maduda Naurem Prabina hai leibak asigi sana khotnabagi lamda Manipurna kaliba mafam asi yamna singthaningai ni lakadoriba Commonwealth Games Asian Games amadi Olympic Games ta Indiana medal yamna phangnaba amadi Gamesing asida masak thokpa performance piba ngamnaba India lenghangna akan mamongda khongthang kaya paikatli Handaki Khelo India scheme asi Bharat Khel Niti Lisingani Kunmanga Amadi NEP 2020 da Ahian Bamiting Thamlaga Semlakpani. Haurak Libangang Sing Masamawu Pana Lairaba Amadi Sana Kotnabada Mai Onsil Labamatam Data Puning Wakal Tangdu Laitana Laibangam Gani Haibasi Scheme Asigi Mitiangni. Haurak Libamiro Singna Sana Kotnabada Mangzu Thaba Ama Oirak Pamatamda Indiana Maliam Gilem Janingai Oiraba Gamsing Asida Mangzu Thaba Ngamgani Haibasi Scheme Asigi Nungi Chelni Haina Mahangna Pongduki. Mahangna Makatana Hai Hauziki Wainadi Mahai Masin Tambaga Sana Kotnabaga Tongan Tongana Chetpagi Pibam Amadalairi Angang Singi Talenti School Tambringai Matamda Pudorakadabani Sana Kotnabagi Lamda Fauriba Leibak Singh Maruaina Australia USA France China amadi Japan chingba singdadi sana khonabagi talanasi school gi level dagi makhong somba hauribani Masi aikoina khangdaba nate aikoina hiramasi da puning changna honarudabani ngasidi NEP 2020 amadi Bharat Khel Niti 2025 asida masigi machasing asi yaure sana khonaba haibasi ngasidi school gi maru oiba curriculum ama oiragani sports amadi education haibasi punna chatminagadaba amani School khudingmak sana khonabagi tungnafam oigadabani asigumba mityeng asida Bharat Khel Niti 2025 ki matungina starasigi oina sports policy draft over loire draft policy asige matangda stakeholders singa kupna khananaba thaurang tauri policy asia thuba matamda chananaba kanwa mongdo honari haina mahangna makha takhi
Khelo India scheme chaun mai pan aduga then Manipur being the kwegi handak yembu Commonwealth medal Indiana pangisi 39 medal ni 39 medal sugi manungda Manipur na pangisi medal mari ni adu ta more than 10% more than 10% ni whereas ekoi population is less than 1% less than 1% of the Indian population much less than 1% aduna sigi keno si yang kan in terms of ekoi per capita akoi khole per capita keno si medal winners India the Manipur highest ne aduna sisu the people like Dhanapani knows all those things so he is here to kind of handhold us to make Khelo India scheme successful so that the people of Manipur remains healthy and then players from Manipur bring more and more laurels for the nation.
Paugi mifam aduda Sai North East Regional Center NERC Imphal Regional Director C Dandapani na hai Khelo India scheme asi leibak asida sana khonabagi hiramasi hena khumang chausinaba India lengangna kumjali singani taratareta akhanaba thausil ama oina paikhalakibani scheme asi gi ahanba phase kumjali singani taratareta kumjali singani kunmathoi fauba ani suba phase na kumjali singani kunmathoi dagi kumjali singani kuntaruk fauba paikhatki ahum suba phase asina chaliba Chahi kumjali singani kuntaruk dagi kumjali singani kuntra mathoi fauba chathagadabani Khelo India scheme gi ahum suba phase asida India lengakna leibak asida sana khonabagi hiramasi hena khumang chausinabagi mitiengda ahian basenfam thadaduna khonari phase asida puna lupa crore sing kuntra taruka chamri ganifu mathoi kaithoknaba haukiba July kuntra mathoi da phamkiba Union Cabinet na warep lokre scheme asiki maruiba pandamde kumjali singani kuntra gi Commonwealth Games asiki medal tali India na top 3 faubagi manungda yauba amadi kumjali singani kuntra taruki Olympic Games na top 10 gi manungda yauba haiba sini pandamasi phangnaba India lengangna tongan ba thausil sing kaya yathokli Scheme asina Manipur yauna Northeast region da sana khonabagi infrastructure kaya semgat sagat pagaloinana tongan ba masana singi talent cluster sing khangdoktuna talent leiba sana roi kaya semgatnaba honaduna lakadoriba Commonwealth Games amadi Olympic Games ta Indiana medal masing yamna phangnaba honagani haina mahana makata ki.
Any of us, we know that most of the health schemes or education or any scheme, central schemes, there is always an enhanced support, 90-10. Similarly, in Northeast, we also provide for any hard component 90-10 infrastructure. And yes, further, as you are aware, now in Manipur we have two centers, Udlo and Sai centers, and in Kumalampa, STC. Further, state is also operating the KIC to each districts. In these new schemes, for the Northeast states, the number of KICs going to be sanctioned in the higher bandwidth. Unlike the main general states, mainland states, which is having only one KIC per district. Now, Northeastern states going to be considered for the more centers KICs in the districts.